If you are running a catering service business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your catering service business. Now managing client booking, sharing menu chart and answering customer queries manually can take a lot of time. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. Welcome to my screen everyone. As you can see, this is the bot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow without any coding knowledge, and it will automate my catering service business by collecting event details and sharing food menu chart to the users. Now before I show you how to build this bot, let me quickly show you how it actually works on real time. For this, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. I have already connected this number to my chatbot. Now I will just send a simple hi and let's see what happens. And as you can see, our chatbot quickly responds with this welcome message. Hi there, welcome to Delish Bites Catering Service. We bring deliciousness to your event. How would you like to start? And we are getting 3 more quick reply buttons. I'm going to select this plan an event button and it is asking me for the event details. Now I am going to enter all the details. Now it is asking me for the event date and the number of guests coming to my event. And as you can see, now it is asking me for the confirmation. If I click on this confirm booking button, it will store all the details provided by me and send this thank you message to me. If I'm going to enroll this edit details button, I can edit all the details once again. And if I select this cancel button, it will redirect me to the first message, as you can see. And here, if I select view menu button, it will show me the food menu chart. So that's how our chatbot works. Now I will show you the step-by-step process of making this bot. For this, you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one. Dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues. Useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Now before start creating our chatbot, let's change the name first. This is the section where our chatbot flow starts. Here we add triggers that activate the chatbot. Here you will see a few options like keyword, enter regex and choose template. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot to start. Regex stands for regular expression. It means whatever the user types that matches the pattern will be automatically captured. With the choose template, you can select and use any pre-approved template. In the regex section, we will add universal regex that can detect any pattern and respond to the user accordingly. And if you want to enable case sensitivity in regex, you can do that from this option right here. Now let's start creating our chatbot with the welcome message. First of all, you need to go to this point like this and drag and drop. When you drop this option, you will get few options like text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and template. I'm going to select text plus button and here I will enter the welcome message. Now I will add 3 quick reply buttons, plan an event, view menu and contact us. Now I will go to this actions section and I will select this ask button and drag it like this. We will use this block to collect information from the user and save it into the contact custom field, as you can see. If you want to learn how to create this contact custom field, check out the description box. Now I will enter a message to ask event location and select contact custom field as event location and format as any. Now I am going to create 2 copies of this same section and change these message to event date and select contact custom field as event date and format as date. Now I will edit this third block to ask number of guests and select contact custom field as event guests. And don't forget to connect these node from the previous message like this. As you can see, I've connected all the blocks. Now I will create a confirmation message. For this, you need to drag it like this and drop here. Now I will select text plus button and enter the message. We use asterisk symbol to make our text bold so that our message appears clear and easily noticeable to the user. And to display the details entered by the customer, you just need to use $sign followed by the specific custom field name, as you can see here. Now I will add 3 buttons, one for confirm booking, one for edit details, and one for the cancel booking. Now I will create a thank you message if a user confirms their booking. As you can see, I've created a thank you message for the customer who confirms their booking. Now I will connect this edit details button to the block where we initially enter our details so the user can update their information. Like this. Now I will connect this cancel button to our welcome message like this. Now I will create a response for this view menu button. For this I will just drag like this and choose text plus button. As you can see, I've entered the menu details like starters, main course, dessert, and I will add 2 buttons, one to plan an event and other one to back to main menu. And I will connect these nodes like this and back to menu node to our welcome message. Now I will create a response for this contact us button. For this, I will just drag this point like this, and when I drop I get few options, text plus button, and here I will enter the details. As you can see, need help or want to speak to a person, call us this number, email and working hour. And I will add another button to back from main menu, and I will connect this node to main menu. And as you can see, we have successfully created our chatbot. Now it's your turn to create and try this chatbot for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.